Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: the app installed, permissions granted, and a profile chosen. Once done, open SwiftClicks and select Test Profile so you can iterate safely. Tap the microphone icon, set sensitivity to around 0, 50, 8, and run a short input to verify detection. Make sure to keep ambient noise low for accurate clicks. This gets you into the live flow quickly and prevents wasted adjustments later. Now you map clicks to tasks and refine timing. First, assign single, double, and long press to distinct actions and give them clear names so you don't confuse shortcuts later. Then adjust timing thresholds, reduce double-click interval for fast workflows, and increase long press MS to avoid accidental triggers. Once configured, add conditional rules to switch bindings by app or context. This ensures the right action fires when you need it. Test each mapping immediately to catch misfires. To complete setup, save your profile and run a full workflow test for 5 to 10 minutes so patterns reveal themselves. Once stable, export settings for backup and enable autosync so devices stay consistent. If something goes wrong, first recalibrate sensitivity and timing thresholds. Make sure background apps aren't injecting input or audio. If misfires persist, restart the service and check for conflicting hotkeys. This final pass secures reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.